So guys, to change the full top, easy peasy. Close the lid, unplug the toilet from the wall, and you're gonna close the water on the flush valve. Then you put your both hands here, and you're just gonna unclip it like this. Here, you're gonna have a hose, which he's gonna do here, and you're gonna unplug this black plug. It's a screw plug. You're just gonna unscrew, and then that's going to be unplugged. And this is the hose, so don't worry about it. This is where the plug goes. So detach this, and deattach this, and that's it. And then for the new top, just pass the wiring from the back, reattach the hose to the new top, and then re-plug back in. And then when you put it back in, put it straight up, and poof. That's the thing. Turn on the water, plug in the toilet.